Today we set off on another adventure to an abandoned mine core in beautiful British Columbia, Vancouver Island. A huge event put together by my friend Mark, a bunch of people from Comox Valley Toyota, and people on Vancouver Island. We set off to explore this amazing place. So follow along and let's enjoy this epic adventure. My name is Trail-Driven. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're at a truck off-roading meet here at Comox Valley Toyota, and we're gonna check out some trucks all day and then probably go for a scenic trail ride. You? Perfect. I've got his Jeep. Going for a little trail ride today. Hey? It's a cool rig. Tent. See, this is what Dad wants. So the ladder and the tent. What do you think? Yeah? It's got the snorkel on it. Nice rims. Maddox, hi. What are you doing? I was gonna hop in somebody's rig and go with them on the harder trails, but unfortunately wife had to work, so had the kid, and so yeah, we're just gonna go have our own little adventure in the Jeep. So once everybody comes. Okay, so we're just down here waiting for the rest of the rigs to arrive bottom of Mount Washington. We're gonna take the just the dirt road trail, the scenic trail route, because I got this little guy with me today. Stand it. Hit a ball. Alright, so we had my buddy's Jeep fail on him, so we got one Jeep down in the midst of all these Toyotas. So far, the Blue Gladiator is still going, so we're gonna continue on to the mine. Oh yeah, this is nothing for the Trailhawk. Abruptly stop. All right, so we're on Agronaut mine. Here we go. Super cool. 1 second. Alright guys, I'm ending the video there. Went out, checked out a cool mine. I can't remember the name of it, but I said it somewhere in the video if you guys were watching. Just airing up the tires, and we had one Jeep down, which my buddy's. It wasn't a Trailhawk, but you know, kind of beat it up in the potholes. So he had some issues going on, so he had to turn around here earlier, and now he had to leave. But yeah, we're heading back. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more off-roading content and videography and all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Peace out.